Not long ago, I was driving through some construction area, sitting in traffic, and I looked over, saw a guy in a white pickup truck with a yellow flashing light on top, wearing a construction helmet with some logo on the side of his truck, go roaring past me on the side of the road where I wasn't allowed to drive. Instead, I had to sit there in traffic with everybody else. So now, I carry in my truck things I need if, in a SHTF situation, I can possibly go where others are not allowed. What I've done is made a couple of logos up, put them on magnetic backing, and with these things I can very quickly pass for something I'm not. Never used them, hope I never do, but in a situation where possibly I'm being told I can't go here or that I've got to go that way, I very well may. Just a thought. What do you think about it?